In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the app privacy report on your device. The app privacy report feature provides information about how often apps and websites have accessed your location, microphone, or network activity in the last 7 days. If you want to disable this feature for any reason, follow these simple steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Privacy and Security. Tap on it. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now you'll see the App Privacy Report option. Just tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the information it recorded. To turn off the App Privacy Report on your iPhone, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Turn Off App Privacy Report. Tap OK to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.